All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Hyundai Tucson. Beautiful white with gray interior, gray cloth interior. It is an all-wheel drive with alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering controls, fog lights, heated seats. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage. Front bumper looks pretty damn good. Does have two chips, one here and one there. Your hood looks pretty good. Your front fender looks pretty decent. You get your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see any curbing. Your tire thread over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. This rear door looks good, and this quarter looks nice. Here's your rear passenger rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Check out your tire thread, just over 730 seconds. Only 18,000 miles on this vehicle. Nice shot of your roof, and that looks like no holes, no dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Get your AM, FM, CD player. Oh, next to all that good stuff, you get your backup camera. Boom. Get your AC controls right down below. Got your heated seats there, as you can see. Get your 4x4 action down there. Got the steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, it does have an airbag light on, and there's your mileage of 10,509 miles. Looks good. Some buttons there. Stuff over here. Some more buttons over here. Looks pretty good. There's your rear passenger seat, and what that looks like, no holes, no tears, or rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper looks pretty good. Your rear lift gate looks pretty nice as well. Here's your rear trunk space, and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious there is. Spare tire here with some tools. I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. Quarter looks great. Here's your rear passenger rim, very nice. Tire thread over 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door here looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Your front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Does have a curve right there, less than an inch. Tire thread is over 730 seconds. Lights are working. These fog lights are working. Looks great. Folks, once again, this is a 2018 Hyundai Tucson all-wheel drive with 18,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.